Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's class. I'll be teaching you how to cut and sew this beautiful hijab. So to start with, I'll cut the upper part on paper first. For the length, I measure 18 inches and for the breadth, I measure 15 inches. Then you cut it out 15 by 18 inches. Alright? This side is breadth, so for the face circumference area, this side is folded. So this side is not folded. So this side, I'll fold 3 inches. So fold 3 inches as seen, and you take it like this in a triangular form. Just take it like this in the triangular form. So after that, you measure what you have here, the 15 inches you have here. So measure it round. Just measure what you have. So you measure it as seen. Then you are going to cut it out. Alright? So you cut it out. So after that, you open it up. You can see. So this side, I'm going to measure my face circumference. Your face circumference divided by 2 plus half inch. So I measure 12 and a half at that side. So on this side, I'm going to connect it this way. Just look closely. So I'm going to connect it like this to the down part. You can see this side is where we are going to fix to the down part of the hijab. So this, remember, this side is folded, this side is folded, and this side is face opening, face circumference. You can see, and you are going to connect it this way. Right? You can see the way I'm collecting it. Right? Alright. So this side is folded. When you are cutting some fabric, remember it will be folded, and this side is face circumference. Right? So after you measure your face circumference from the folded side, you can see face circumference, then you connect it this way. Just connect it to the down part. This side you are going to fix it to the down part of the hijab, and this side we are going to fix the cap. So this is the fabric I want to use. So I'll be using navy blue and sky blue. So this is the navy blue. You can see that it's folded. I folded it in bright. I folded it in bright, and I measure 36 inches. And this side too, I measure 36 inches too. I just what I've explained already, so I just got marker. I used marker so that you can see it clearly. You can see the face opening. Alright, can you see it now? You can see where it is folded. This side will be folded. So when you're cutting some fabric, ensure that that side is unfold. So you measure what you have at the down parts. To measure what you have here, so just locate where you see the measurements here, right? So I think, so I measure 12 inches round. So after you measure it round, you confirm whether you have the measurement you are looking for. The measurement you have at the down part of the upper part of the hijab. So if it's not up to, you can increase the number, and if it's more than, you can reduce it. So this is like so that's the reason why I reduce it a little bit. Maybe I think I measure 11 inches. You can see, and you can see that it is on fold, so don't forget that it will be on fold. I measure 36 inches like this, and 36 inches this way too. So what you have, that's what I'm going to measure round. So I measure that 36 inches round. You can see the way I'm placing my table. Just measure the 36 inches round. Remember, the fabric is on fold. This is lycra material, so I'm using lycra material for this hijab. So what you have here, just cut it out as seen. Remember, it is on fold. It is 2 layers like that, right? Just the way you cut your yard, you can see. So after cutting the down part, so I'm going to cut this part too. You can see. So I'm going to cut this part. So this is where we are going to attach the upper piece of the hijab. You can see. So what I measure on, so I'm cutting it out, and this will be the down part of the hijab. Since the joining is on both sides, I'm going to split this side too. So I'll split and I will join it back when sewing. Alright, you can see what we have, just like flare. So I'll take the remaining fabric, so at this point you must ensure that the side that is more stretchy, you put it on the breadth area. Just put it at the breadth area. The side that is very stretchy, put it at the breadth area, while the side that is less stretchy, put it at the length area. Very, very important. Alright, you can see that I folded the fabric into two, and the side on the paper that I wrote fold, so you need to put that side on, that folded side on the fabric. It's very, very important, so that you have 2 layers. You can see. You can see. So that's where I'm going to put the the cap. So I'll cut the cap now. So you can cut 4 inches by 7. That's what I always use. You can see to the down part, I'm going to put this at the down of the hijab and at the upper part of the down part too. Just cut 2 inches by what you need. So I'll gather it. So to the design, you can see this design on that upper part. There's a curve there, so I'm going to cut it out. So I measure 4 inches this way, 4 inches in length. Just measure 4 inches round. So you can see the way I just curve it. Just measure 4 inches round. Then I'm going to cut it out. So I'm going to cut the sky blue. I'll gather it at this area, and this side I'm going to replace it with this navy blue, but I'll cut it in another fabric, putting allowance, you can see. So I'm going to put it, don't mind me. So I'll put it on that small one that I cut. So after putting it there, I'm going to gather it round. Alright, so I'll show you why sewing. Alright, so this is it. This is what I was explaining. Just cut about 3 inches by the length of the curve you have. You can see I got 3 inches right by the length of that curve you have there. You can see. Just take it gently. So just fold this side. You can see. You fold it, then you sew. Just fold it inside so that the edges would be neat. You fold it, then you sew. Just put it inside. It's just one layer, so there's need for you to fold. You put it inside, then you sew. After that, you do the same to the other side of the sky blue. You fold like this. Just fold once. You put it inside, then you sew. Can see. After sewing, you should have something like this. So you trim out the excess. So to the down part, the cuff parts, you trim out the excess. So you can see what you have. So this is gathers. So I want to gather this side. I cut 2 inches long. Just cut 2 inches. That will be enough for you to gather at the parts you cut on the down part of the hijab. So if you have gather foot, you can use gather foot to gather it. If you don't have, you can use your sewing machine to do that. Then use a hand to gather it, right? So that's what I'm doing here, just to gather the 2 inches long that I cut. That will be enough for me to attach at this cuff part, the area that I cut out. You can see before joining that part back. So after gathering, after you might have gathered that sky blue, so you sew it, just attach it to the down part at that area that we cut out, where we cut that 4 inches round that we cut out. So the same way you cut the 2 inches long that you got that, so you cut another 2 inches in many places. That will be enough for you to gather at the down of the hijab too. So just the same way, just gather it at the down of this hijab. Just try use your hand to arrange it so that it will be even. So arrange it, then you sew gently. Just cut enough 2 inches long that will be enough for you to gather at that part that you cut out, that cuff area. I can see. After I might have done that, so you have to cut out the excess. You can see. And see how beautiful it is. So I need to cut out the essence I have here. You can see. So after that, the part that I cut out, the one that I attached that 3 inches sky blue, so I'm going to fix it back. So I'll start from the center to one side, then also from the center again to the other side. So I'm sewing the first side now, you can see. So just take it gently. So this is the part that we cut out, the 4 inches one that I measured and cut out. So when you are cutting this, the one that I cut out, I placed it in another fabric and I added seam allowance. So if you use the one that you cut out, it will be short. It will not be, you have the same measurements you have on the hijab back. So after cutting it, you need to cut that on another fabric and add your seam allowance like 1/2 inch. So I'm sewing the other side now. You know, we started from the middle to one side, then from the middle again to the other side. So I'm sewing the other side here. So you can see that the hijab is easy. Just follow the step, you will get it. You can see. So I've done that already. You can see that it's coming out. So if you have any question, you can ask. So this side, I took the back. You know, we have 2 pieces for the down part. So the back part, just join the side. Just place it on each other, right side facing right side, and join both sides. So I've done that. So after that, you set that aside. Then you take the upper part of the hijab. You fix your hijab. Fix the cap to the hijab, to the upper part. So this is the cap. Can you see? Just normal way of fixing cap. So I left an niche on that cap part as usual. So just sew by half an inch, half of an inch. So I'm attaching the cap to the upper parts of the hijab here. So remember to leave like an inch on both sides. You can see this to ensure firmness at the forehead area when you put it on. You can see the cap. So after that, you take it like this, then you measure your face circumference, then you sew. Measure your face circumference, then you sew from this part down. You can see. So if you sew the opening area, this other side is folded, just sew it down as seen. So after this, you weave this side. So you're going to weave, then you fold like this. Just overlock, then you do like this. So after that, we're going to attach it to this down part. You can see. So you're going to attach this to this side. Alright. You can see that I've overlocked it already. So after that, you turn it to the right side. Then fold the down part like this. Just take it to your machine, then fold as seen. Just fold it once since you have overlocked it. So after this, you can see, you take this down part, you turn it to the right side. The upper part will be on the right side, so you have to notch it. Should notch the center back. So after you notch the center back, you take it this side, so you have to notch the center front and the center back. Notch the center front, you notch the center back, so ensuring the side align. Notch the center back. So to this side, so to the upper part of the hijab, notch the side. So you should have 4 area that you notch on the upper part of the hijab and on the down part of the hijab too. Alright. So next thing for you to put it, remember right side facing right side. You put the hijab inside, letting the notches to meet. Let the center notch you have on the upper part meet with the center front notching of the down part. Let the 4 notches meet, then you sew round. The side notches, let it meet, and the back notch, let it meet. this to ensure that you have even sewing. So you have excess at one side, so it must be equal measurement. Just sew by half an inch. So you ensure that the notches meet the notch on the upper part and on the lower part of the hijab meets. Alright, so take it gently and sew. So to the down of hijab, I'm sorry I didn't show that. Just take 2 inches long, cut it on that sky blue material that you have. You cut the one that will be enough for you to gather around the down of the hijab. So you can see the outcome. I'll be able to attach the hijab. You can see how beautiful the hijab is. You can see this is what I was talking about, just the same way you gather it on this side, then you gather it around, and you can see the outcome. Thank you. See you in my next class. Bye.